OMG, I'm so excited. Yay! Okay, now I'm just being awkward. What are you so excited for? You don't know what I'm excited for? You don't know? I just got new ponies and we're gonna review them! Girl, you cray. Hi guys, today I got new ponies and I wanted to show them to you. I know you probably think that, hey, you already have these new ponies, but I really didn't. I have a Rainbow Dash now. My other Rainbow Dash is bald. I cut off all her hair. I'm a monster. Okay, it was an accident. Her hair was all loop. And then I cut it, and then that happened, so I need to get a new one. So, look how cool and awesome she is. Oh my gosh, she's gonna fall. I knew she was gonna fall. But her tail is poofy. I hate that about ponies. Their tail gets all poof. So yeah, that's the new pony I got. Yeah. Okay, let's look at the second one. This is practically not very new, but I haven't showed it. I have Cheerilee now. I had her for a long time. I just never really told you guys. And yeah, I'm still working on the back portion of her hair. The front portion is done. This little twist, but yeah. I have a lot more ponies, but I don't know where they are. They're in my room somewhere. I'll get them out later. Oh, and I also want to keep you guys updated on my mangle. My poor mangle head. Wait, okay, camera. There we go. Made out of clay. Here's the head, the poor head. Here's the body. And here is like the little friend and the arm. So let's put it together. Yay! Okay, the head goes on here. Just like this. There we go. And the friend goes on here. And the other arm goes on here. Then this piece of clay goes on there. That looks totally normal. Yeah, it's cool. That's nice. I have the weirdest laugh. Hey, but look, I had to get my Beanie Boo Elephant wash because it was so dirty. Like, the fur didn't even look gray, it looked black. So I had to wash it. My mom would not let me keep it on my bed unless I washed it. I gave it a wash yesterday and now it's dry, so yeah. I love the little blue tail. So yeah, that's all for today, guys. Subscribe for more. And remember, subscribe to join Cookie Warriors. Be awesome. And I'm trying to give you a cookie fist, but I'll give you a high five. Bye.